Karoo, I got this out because I want to get a video of you crawling. Do you want to crawl for the people at home? You're almost 7. No, you don't want to crawl for the people at home? Come on, they want to see you crawl. Goose, come on now, buddy. There's Goose. You can come get this iPad, Karoo. You want to come get this iPad? Goose, no. You want to come get this iPad? You want to come get this? You should come get this. Good boy. Goose is finally going to lay down. Oh, are you going to go get Guzman? I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about him. No, I'm good here. The iPad and Guzman not enough to make me want to move. Come on, baby. We want to see you move. No? Okay, then say goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.